Every time you use internet banking, make an online payment, or access a government portal, there's a powerful digital infrastructure working behind the scenes. Cloud computing and data centers have become the backbone of today's digital economy. One Indian company helping build this infrastructure is ESDS Software Solution Limited. In today's video, we'll understand ESDS's business model, services, growth opportunities, challenges, and why it has attracted attention in the unlisted market. ESDS Software Solution Limited was founded in 2005 and is headquartered in Nashik, Maharashtra. Over the last 2 decades, the company has grown from an IT services provider into a cloud and digital infrastructure company. Today, ESDS offers services across cloud infrastructure, data center services, managed services, cybersecurity, AI infrastructure, banking and government digital solutions. The company serves enterprise customers, financial institutions, government organizations, and smart city projects across India and overseas. So, how does ESDS generate revenue? Unlike a traditional software company that sells only software licenses, ESDS provides a complete digital infrastructure ecosystem. Its services include sovereign cloud solutions, community cloud, managed cloud services, data center hosting, cybersecurity solutions, disaster recovery, GPU as a service for artificial intelligence workloads. Customers pay recurring fees for these services, creating a business model that benefits from long-term client relationships rather than one-time software sales. The company has increasingly positioned itself around sovereign cloud and AI infrastructure for regulated industries. One of ESDS's biggest strengths is its focus on digital sovereignty. The company promotes cloud infrastructure that is built and operated in India, with data hosted under Indian jurisdiction, aiming to support organizations building AI applications. ESDS has gained significant attention among unlisted market participants because it operates in sectors that are expected to see long-term growth, including cloud computing, AI infrastructure, and cybersecurity. The company has also released IPO-related disclosures through its investor relations section, making it one of the closely watched unlisted technology companies. Overall, ESDS Software Solution has positioned itself as an Indian provider of cloud infrastructure, managed services, cybersecurity, and AI solutions. With increasing demand for digital transformation, sovereign cloud, and artificial intelligence, the company operates in sectors that continue to evolve rapidly. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Mira Associates for more educational content on unlisted companies and the unlisted share market.
Mira Associates provides assistance for unlisted share transactions only. We do not provide investment advice or recommendations. Investments in securities are subject to market risks. Please conduct your own research before making investment decisions.